Hi everybody, this is Maxine Taylor, America's first licensed astrologer, and I want to welcome you to Practical Astrology. Today we are talking about how to get through difficult times using astrology, and I'm going through each sign and telling you how you, as an Aries or a Taurus or a Gemini or a Capricorn or a Virgo, can navigate your way through difficult times, and you can take advantage of what's going on astrologically that will help you in your life. And sometimes we do have difficult times, and it's always good to have hope. It's always good to have a plan. And so hopefully I'm going to be able to help you plan accordingly. So last time we talked about Aries. Now, today we're going to talk about Taurus. And when we talk about Aries, it's do it now, it's fast, it's complete, it's get to the point and move on. Not so with Taurus. Taurus is a very gentle sign, very practical, knows how to enjoy life. They enjoy the basics that life has to offer: eating, sleeping, loving, watching TV, movies, etc. Because Taurus says, I have worked 5 days a week. Come the weekends, I'm going to play. And playing means doing absolutely nothing. They have mastered the art of enjoying themselves by doing what is natural and easy, which is relaxing. And I have yet to master that, so I envy that. Now, the sun, twirling around in the heavens, enters Taurus April 21st through May 21st every single year. Same time, same station, there's no deviation. And this is great because you can plan accordingly. This means that you come into your own when the sun, the giver of life, enters Taurus. And I'm speaking to those of you who were born under the sign of Taurus. I'm also talking to those of you who live with a Taurean, because sometimes you have to, especially if it's a new relationship, you have to understand what you're dealing with in order to make the relationship work. You know that. Excuse me. So, the sun enters Taurus, as I said, April 21st to May 21st. The sun brings light with it. And when it enters Taurus, Taureans, it's your turn. The beauty of being a Taurean is manifold. Aries, short-term goal, quick reward, can get aggravated very quickly, temper very close to the surface. Not Taurus. Taurus takes it and takes it and takes it and takes it, and then you think you've seen temper with an Aries? Taurus is a bull. Think of a charging bull. They are unstoppable. Now, Taurus will forgive, but they don't forget. They're not foolish. Taurus is an earth sign, and they're very, very practical about everything they do. I used to tease my Taurus friends that they could be bought with a sandwich. And they said, and your point is? They can be. They appreciate the good things in life. They appreciate the feel of fabric, the texture of a table, the texture of food, the taste, the smell of food. They are very primary, and they appreciate all of the good things in life that God has given us. Now, if you want a project done quickly, ask an Aries. If you want it done for sure, completed, ask a Taurus. Taurus is going to take it step by step. They're not in any rush. They will get the job done. Right, Taurus? You will get the job done. And when the sun enters your sign once a year, always the same time, you come into your own. This is the time to party. This is the time to celebrate. Many people I know celebrate their birthday all month. Taurus says that sounds good to me. And take time to smell the roses. That is what Taurus teaches us. They are very practical. They appreciate the things that money can buy. And I'm going to talk about that in the next segment, where I talk about Venus in Taurus. Right now, when Taurus has the sun in its sign, when the sun enters Taurus on April 21st, you feel more comfortable in your own skin. It's the best way of describing it. You feel good about yourself. You understand that you're going to make time for pleasure, for enjoyment. If Taurus has a project to do, they get it done. They cannot be rushed. Right, Taurus? You will not be rushed. And to get a Taurus to change his or her mind, you can't tell him what to do. You have to suggest it and ease into it. Taurus, you are a fixed sign. And when the sun is in Taurus, all of these marvelous qualities are stronger. You're a fixed sign and you do not like change because it's just too much trouble. You love the security of a routine. My mother was a Taurean, and whenever we would go on a trip, no matter where it was, she would always say, tomorrow will be easier, and the day after that will be easier. We'll get ourselves into a routine. I felt trapped in a routine. She loved it. And so I learned to appreciate that quality in my mother. And we got along fine once I did. So, eating, sleeping, loving, relaxing, with all of the good things in life, appreciating the time that you have in which to do nothing if you want to. That's the beauty of Taurus. And so when the sun enters Taurus, you shine. You come into your own.